Homes with high sun exposure enjoy bright interiors and beautiful daylight, but too much direct sunlight can also create comfort challenges. Excess heat, glare, and uneven indoor temperatures often trace back to inefficient windows. For homeowners in Eagle, energy-efficient windows offer a smart solution, helping manage intense sunlight while keeping indoor spaces comfortable, balanced, and enjoyable year-round. Why high sun exposure impacts indoor comfort. Sunlight entering through windows brings warmth and brightness, but when windows aren't designed to manage that energy, it can quickly lead to overheating. Rooms may feel warmer than others, furniture areas near windows can become uncomfortable, and indoor systems may run more frequently to compensate. In Eagle homes with strong sun exposure, older or inefficient windows often allow too much heat to pass through the glass, creating temperature swings that disrupt daily comfort. How energy-efficient windows control heat gain. Energy-efficient windows are designed to regulate how much heat enters the home while still allowing natural light inside. Their construction focuses on reducing unwanted heat transfer through both the glass and the frame. For Eagle homeowners, this means rooms stay brighter without becoming uncomfortably warm. Indoor temperatures remain more stable throughout the day, even when sunlight is strongest. Reducing hot spots near windows. One of the most common issues in sun-exposed homes is localized heat buildup. Seating areas, workspaces, or floors near windows can feel significantly warmer than the rest of the room. Energy-efficient windows help reduce this problem by limiting how much solar heat passes indoors. Eagle homeowners often notice that areas near windows become more usable and comfortable once heat gain is better controlled. Maintaining balanced indoor temperatures. When heat enters unevenly, some rooms feel warmer than others. This imbalance can make it difficult to maintain consistent comfort. Energy-efficient windows help Eagle homes maintain even indoor temperatures by reducing excessive heat entry. Living areas, bedrooms, and shared spaces feel more balanced, making the entire home more comfortable. Lowering the strain on indoor systems. Excess sunlight can cause indoor systems to work harder than necessary. When windows allow too much heat inside, systems must run longer to cool the space. By reducing heat gain, energy-efficient windows help Eagle homeowners ease the workload on indoor systems. This supports more efficient operation and contributes to long-term energy savings. Managing glare without blocking light. Bright sunlight can cause glare on screens, floors, and furniture, making certain rooms uncomfortable during peak daylight hours. Energy-efficient windows help diffuse sunlight, reducing glare while preserving brightness. Eagle homeowners can enjoy naturally lit spaces without constantly adjusting blinds or rearranging furniture. Improving comfort in high-use living areas. Rooms that receive the most sunlight are often key living spaces. When these areas become too warm, they're used less often. Energy-efficient windows help Eagle homeowners reclaim these spaces. Living rooms, dining areas, and home offices remain comfortable throughout the day, encouraging better use of the home. Supporting long-term comfort and durability. Windows exposed to constant sunlight must withstand ongoing thermal stress. Energy-efficient designs help maintain window performance over time by managing temperature changes more effectively. For Eagle homes, this means windows continue to perform reliably without losing their comfort-enhancing benefits. Enhancing everyday living with natural light. Sunlight is a valuable feature when it's properly managed. Energy-efficient windows allow homeowners to enjoy bright interiors without the downsides of excessive heat. Eagle homeowners benefit from spaces that feel open, comfortable, and inviting, even during the sunniest parts of the day. A smart choice for sun-exposed homes. High sun exposure doesn't have to mean higher discomfort. With the right windows, homeowners can enjoy light without heat overload. For homeowners in Eagle, energy-efficient windows offer a practical solution for managing sun exposure. By reducing heat gain, improving comfort, and supporting balanced indoor temperatures, they create homes that feel bright, comfortable, and enjoyable, no matter how strong the sunlight is outside.